Now that was an entrance, right? From the song to you guys and the applause and the palpable love and the wave, you've got that down. We are here to give you the 2025 Diamond Educator Award. She is a bright spot at Creekside and a shining example of positivity. Her Mindful Monday tradition helps us start the week off just right, and she is a friend to everyone she meets.
Mrs. Russell is helpful because when cubs are struggling, she uses some common tools to share with them.
Mrs. Russell is very nice. She helps other cubs with big feelings. Miss Russell is kind because she helps people with their feelings flat. Miss Russell is very kind because she cares about all the cubs in the school. Miss Russell is very helpful when it comes to liking. Miss Russell is very nice because her smile brightens up everyone's day and she welcomes them.
Can we give these friends a round of applause, please?
This award to present Miss Russell, Jen Russell from the Northern Cincinnati Foundation. Congratulations on all of your hard work.
I actually have 4 kids graduating from West, 2 who came through Creekside. So this is special from my perspective. So congratulations.
Mrs. Russell, we can't say enough about how much we appreciate you and all you do serving Creekside and our Cubs every day, helping everyone here. So congratulations, Mrs. Russell.
Thank you so much. I'm so honored to be your school counselor. You all are amazing. Thank you.